Sesimbra is a municipality of Portugal, in the Setúbal district and formerly in the historic Extremadura province, lying at the foothills of the Serra da Arabida, a mountain range between Setúbal and Sesimbra. Due to its particular position at the Setúbal Bay, near the mouth of the Sedo River and its natural harbour, it's an important fishing town. The population in 2011 was 49,500, in an area of 195.47 square kilometers. The present mayor is Augusto Polvora. Besides professional fishing and sport fishing, the most significant revenues in Sesimbra come from tourism. The town is known for its beaches, fish restaurants and nightlife. The original name of Celtic origin was Sesimbra, meaning the high place of the Celtic tribe the Sempsi. Close by, on a mountain top, 240 meters above sea level, lies strategically the Moorish castle. It was taken from the Moors during the Portuguese reconquista in the year 1165 by King Afonso Henriques with the help of Frank Crusaders. The battlements afford a panorama over Sesimbra, its harbour and the surrounding countryside. In addition to the castle, Sesimbra has two forts dating back to the 17th century. The fortress of St. James of Sesimbra in the centre of town and the fort of São Teodósio da Ponta do Cavalo. The former contains a museum covering Sesimbra's history as a fishing village. During the Age of Discoveries, Sesimbra became an important seaport. Even King Manuel I lived here for a while. In the 17th century, the Fort Fortaleza de Santiago was built along the beach as part of Portugal's coastal defence. On 3 June 1602, an English fleet defeated a Spanish galley fleet and in addition captured a large Portuguese carrack and severely damaged the fort. It was even used in the 18th century by Portuguese kings as a seaside retreat. A tourist travelling to Sesimbra can appreciate its beaches, traditional fish restaurants and the Arabida National Park. Sesimbra is a popular diving location close to Lisbon and the most famous dive site is the wreck of the River Gurara, a Nigerian cargo ship that sunk in 1989 with the loss of 45 sailors. Close to the Moorish castle is the church Nossa Senhora do Castelo. It stands on the spot where King Sancho I built a Romanesque chapel in the early 13th century, leading to the creation in 1388 of the parish of Nossa Senhora do Castelo de Sesimbra. The present church was built in 1721. When a new church was built in the village, this church passed into disuse and fell into ruins. It was restored between 1965 and 2001. The walls of the church are inlaid with azulejos. The 17th century pulpit was made from local pink marble. The gilded triumphal arch of the 18th century choir is decorated with Manueline motifs. On the left side of the choir stands in a niche the gilded and polychromed statue of the Madonna of the castle on a giant shell. Sesimbra serves as the landing point for the submarine communications cables, such as SAT-3, WASC and Atlantis 2. There is a local radio station in the municipality, Sesimbra FM. Administratively, the municipality is divided into 3 civil parishes. Sesimbra is a founding member of the Duzelage, a unique town twinning association of 24 towns across the European Union. This active town twinning began in 1991 and there are regular events, such as a produce market from each of the other countries and festivals. Discussions regarding membership are also in hand with 3 further towns. Round Batizan Fortaleza de Santiago. Gold Beach Sesimbra is part of the Blue Coast region, the Gold Beach coastline at Sesimbra. Traditional Portuguese fishing village Bay. Part of the Blue Coast region. View of Sesimbra. Sesimbra view from Almirante Sande Vasconcelos Street. Sesimbra's harbour. Moorish castle. Church of Nossa Senhora do Castelo. Fishermen in Sesimbra, Portugal.